take a trip, take a trip, take a trip, take a trip now.
Max cover Duttyberry here once again, and it is still election 2020. And yes, I am going to be voting, but as of now, I kind of still am undecided voter. But hopefully, by the time September 3rd arrives, I will be at a state of Shensia.
Usually I'm indecisive, but tonight, me sure.
So the last review I did see in here, some of the dubs them they take a little while to clear because they stuck at customs. But you see now I get the barrel so I can open some of them. So Lisa Anna, aka the political DJ, went in for the triple treble with a spice dub.
Lisa Anna go bust them bubble and walk out everybody in a trouble and face have been up them a struggle them a curdle Lisa make
No, you tell me no.
Lisa body boom boom.
Man, spice it up on the rhythm like a book on shelf. But honestly, my favorite part of the video was this.
Bubble and a sit down and a boom 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 boom.
You're healthy, you're strong, you look good, you have all of the something there about you. Yes, goody!
I say while some people were dropping singles, Babs Granger and Prime Minister Andrew Holness dropped EPs. I mean, the Prime Minister dropped this.
Andrew, do you even think na sweat job thing na the stand some
Then he went to this.
This time, bro, gotta win and we sure.
And then this.
Andrew Holness. You know, you leave them other guys hopeless.
But arguably, one of the most interesting ones was this dub from Aishana.
Andrew just got started. What you think one term can do? Bella ringing at them for it. Them man on a match for Andrew.
Lord Jesus.
No, honestly, so right about now, me would be surprised if Juliet Holness have a restraining order out for Aishana. So pressure, pressure, who under pressure? Besides the Jamaican dollar. Now let's get to Babs Grange and Fear EP them. No, honestly, yes, when we look on Babs Grange, me kinda see her as like Andrew Holness' right hand. She is like the Prime Minister's Olivia Pope. It's like in my brain, Andrew go to Babsy and say, yo, Babsy, me need some dubs. And Babsy was just like,
It's handled.
and why she handled Fear EP. As a matter of fact, I would be surprised if right now you hear so she get a Grammy nomination.
Babsy Granger run the place, ring the bell. Forget the vote, she nah prank. The opposition, them a lie and them a ram. But from a
And not to be left out was social media sensation Queenie with Fear Babsy Grange dub.
Babsy! Full of chat, them JLP now. Take it back. Full of chat, and them know say them a JLP. And a green team that, eh?
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock.
Christoph Dan charged up the bird.
charge up the bird, charge up the bird.
R.I.P. Air Jamaica. I say for all the people who didn't expect the Gage dub from Christopher Tufton.
Savior! Manager! Ishkatai! Ya robobobo isha!
So Crystal Tomlinson, no me have to commend you. You are listened to me and collected the free dub that you could get.
Crystal, you run road, you know. Crystal, she run road, you know. Dark, and you white line.
But me not gonna lie, still me feel like my dub idea did a little bit better. You want a new road? Call she. Now people must see it clear. As a matter of fact, crystal clear said Juliet Cuthbert is a savage. Because of all the dubs she could have get, she went for the angel.
Juliet Cuthbert, you sit in life for nothing and go off feeling about them member, you know. But why you people them say, and them want your rule if you're next term, them want tear down and pop you down. Nah listen what them I say, them I say. Them want you say you feel, but you are win next term this year.
But this come back the late,
Jada heavy, but Juliet is petty, yeah. That was so corny. I wonder what the next home drop-off between the Angel and Crystal is going to be like after this.
Do you want to be that guy?
Then there came nomination day, aka it was the dark time, my love. Welcome people to Jamaican elections 2020, where everything seems to be going green, from dogs
JLP dog block, see it there?
to spice
From their head to the sole of their feet, Father God.
to popular social media pages like Tropics. No, honestly, you see the last time somebody took over a page like that, their name was Ivani.
Man, I'm dead.
Oh, them favor iron donkey, them favor iron donkey, them favor iron donkey in a shots.
But not this good as.
But with a little bit of money. JLP license and we dip it in a honey. Yes, right, Joe. Yes.
Giggity, 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 ooh, ee, ooh, ting, tang, walla, walla, bing, bang, ooh, ee.
No, sir, this girl body right like so she have strokes on her left. What? So leader of the opposition, Peter Phillips, kicks Sports Day off in fine style. Okay, I am messing. It was a little bit more like this. Then a tree was uprooted to a next branch.
Leave the trees and let them be.
Oh look, it's Crystal. You know, say a long time I know so she did as practice for Bidisha understudy in a rave as clavers. Meanwhile in Mobe, Beanie Man was the order of the day. Daryl Vaz shows us that he still got that from yeah. And wow, the brother even have several personal assistants.
This is crazy.
And oh look, Dr. Andre Horton gets eardropped to his nominations. No, honestly, that is the best type of support that you can find. Along the Turlong West, Ted, no time in laboring for his party. Miguava Skin, no, this candidate was unable to thundering down the street with a furlong to go because his vehicle decided to remain at the stoplight after it went green.
Hey, step back in, hey.
No.
Tufton pedaled his way to the nominations while Juliet Holness showed off her new Sports Day gear. Check out my new shoes! Taramane! Labor! Oh, so bad. And not to be outdone, Audley Shaw epitomizes all but no coal, but may still be microwaved. Wow, my grandma knows all those moves. And people, you see, because it was nomination day, I guess everybody, and I mean everybody, decided to just laugh in the face of Corona. You mean the Jamaicans must make social distancing and Corona interrupt all of the election festivities?
That will never happen. You will never live to see that happen.
Honestly, you see all of them go on the road, you would have think that this is Road March Jamaican Carnival 2020. Down to the go again. Give it up, and then down to the go again. Pick it up. Why? Bashment in town. Watch how the girl them turn. No man, on this nomination day Road March, it was just too buzzy. Peter Bunting literally had his own entire band.
Whoa, Bunting, we have the song selected them play. Everything.
Jaws of Batty were just out and stunting.
But
in all of this chaos, what I kind of appreciated seeing was a little bit of the harmony. You have the green and orange wine, the green and orange fashion.
So why you have on two different colors?
The green and orange friendships.
That 80 politics out. Done with. Me and the bestie. She have power, me a show. Yeah. Now we are one. Yeah.
Even Miss Donna and our charity got into all of the festivities.
We say, PNP and labor right there. Show and labor right. Show.
But as you have good things, you have the bad things. You all have a truck that turn it over.
No man never laugh. Everybody alright though.
And then you have this bus that really could not cross it.
Or if we around to help them, leave them over.
So that was it, burritos, for all of the festivities that happened with the dubs them and the nomination day activities. What I have to say is that right now, the country have 119 new cases in a one day, and that does not look good.
I run too much joke, yeah.
No, you hear me talk with a whole heap of excitement, but at the back of my mind, all I was just thinking about is what is going on for the protocols. And I felt that both parties missed the mark.
When? Who's part our time? Who's part?
They did not demonstrate in terms of what I consider to be true and effective leadership in terms of how they carried out their nomination day activities. It did just like plain bad.
Something alright, yeah.
And all I would drop the mark, like me drop the mark sometime, my friends have dropped the mark, and some people gone out to Ghana party, people gone to Spanish Bridge, all kind of things like we completely think it done with, but it is still here and it will be here to stay until, you know, we find a little vaccine and them look something there. So I'm once again going to implore everybody, if you're watching this, it don't gone. Okay, 119 cases newly reported. So people will just have to make sure so we sanitize or walk with the mask, and we try for social distance as much as possible. And to check in on your friends and make sure so them abide by the protocol. Zine? Okay, but anyway, if you enjoyed watching this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button, turn on your post notification as well as the subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Alright, peace out until my next review. Let me know if I should do a review of the debates. Okay, peace out.